The questions like what is mean by polarization of light waves, explain why sound waves cannot be polarized, some sunglasses are described as polaroid, what does this mean, and what advantages do they offer over other types of sunglasses. So first we will go through with polarization of light waves. So polarization of light wave is when the oscillations or associated with the waves are in one plane, in only a plane, in only one plane. So, second, explain why sound waves cannot be polarized. Sound waves are longitudinal waves, so oscillations are already in one direction. That's why they cannot be polarized. So, some sunglasses are described as Polaroid. What does this mean and what advantages do they offer over other types of sunglasses? So, this is based on this question is based on the uses of the polarization of light. Sunglasses have Polaroid filters at 90 degree to some of the reflected lights. Therefore, they cut out some of the selected light. Advantages increases con- uh, contrast. So this is the example of IB question. This example I solved it. So unsolved. So this is unpolarized light of intensity. I so this question is unpolarized light of intensity. I naught is incident on the first of two polarizing sheet. Initially, the planes of the polarization of the sheet are perpendicular, which sheet must be rotated by what angle so that less light of intensity I naught over 4 can be emerge from the second sheet. So these are some options. So let's go through with the options. Rotated sheets, and here the other column is angle of rotation. So A is 1 only cos inverse of root 2 over 2, and root 2 over 2 is 1 over root 2. In option B is 2 only cos inverse of half. C is 1 or 2 cos inverse of root 2 over 2. D 1 or 2 cos inverse of half. So now in the solution what we did. So as the light is unpolarized, from the first sheet, when they will pass through the first sheet, the light gets the intensity gets halved because it becomes polarized. So by applying Malus law, it becomes I naught over 2 equals to I naught cos square theta, and by founding it for sheet 1 it came cos inverse of root 2 over 2. Now for after when again they pass through it, they told us that the light of intensity becomes I naught over 4 when the light passes through second sheet. So the polarization, so the so by applying Malus law, it becomes I naught over 4 equals to I naught over 2 cos square theta. Cos square theta becomes 1 over root 2, which is root 2 over 2. So theta equals to cos inverse of root 2 over 2. So from this solution we can see that option C is the correct, because 1 and 2 have the same angle, that's why. So C is the correct option. Now this I changed it from unpolarized to polarized. So the question is polarized light of intensity I naught is incident on the first of two polarization sheets. Initially, the planes of polarization of sheet are perpendicular, which sheet must be rotated and by what angle so that light of intensity I naught over 4 can emerge from the second sheet. So as a polarized light is passing through the sheet 1, so sheet 1 and 2 become analyzer. So by applying Malus law, it becomes I naught equals to I naught cos squared theta. So cos theta equals to 1 and theta becomes 0 degree. So there will be no change of angle. Now in sheet 2, it says that intensity become I naught over 4 by emerge from the second sheet. So by applying Malus law, I naught over 4 equals to I naught cos squared theta. So so cos theta becomes half. So theta equals to cos inverse of half, which is 60 degree. So by this way, sheet 2 should be moved by an angle of 60 degree, and sheet 1 will be stay like the one it is. These are some IB questions. Thank you.